In Japan, you can discover the unexpected. As you explore, pieces of a puzzle will come together. Adventure travel in Japan is an inspiring, healing experience that expands thoughts and ideas and energizes your heart. Hokkaido's rivers are alive, circulating with geothermal heat. The heat trickles down from the mountain, merging with the cold water, creating steam which rises before our eyes. Within nature, life is nurtured. All living creatures, including us. Take in Nagano's nostalgic landscape. Walk through its fields and into the countryside. We feel as though we're stepping back in time. It is also a place where one can encounter the spiritual world. Taking a pilgrimage here will inspire your mind, body, and soul. Where did we come from? Where are we going? In Japan, people worship nature, and through our respect, nature teaches us the value of life. We learn that being a part of nature requires perfect harmony with the earth. Tohoku, a place where this harmony resonates eternally. At Mount Fuji, one of Japan's sacred mountains, we witness the bounty that this volcano brings to us from the earth, bringing forth the power to produce nutritious food. Come taste the local flavors from the source in Shizuoka. Sacred mountain peaks, abundant flora and fauna, history and culture, and the breeze from the Seto Inland Sea. Encounter all of these when you pass through Shikoku. Experience a cycling tour that will be sure to satisfy your adventurous spirit. The magnificent nature of Kyushu is a spectacular setting for cycling, trekking, river trekking, fishing, and so much more. Here, you can explore the mythical volcanic mountain and connect with locals who live in harmony with the island's deep mountains and valleys. Adventure travel in Japan is a way of life. It is a journey towards a part of your heart that you have yet to discover. Fully experience it with all of your senses. An adventure that can only be found here in Japan.